So hey, today is day 35 of our 6,000 steps easy challenge, and I'm again standing at Sadar Bazar metro station, and today I'm planning to run till the Indira Gandhi International Airport. So a few days back I was talking about this, that I wanted to do something different. So yeah, I searched the internet, and it says it's around 10.1 kilometers from this place. So I would only find out when I reach Indira Gandhi International Airport. So my 10-kilometer run from Sadar Bazar metro station to Indira Gandhi International Airport begins. So yeah, very excited. And just yesterday I was talking that it was such a warm day, and winter has ditched us, but look at the weather now. It's all foggy. So winter is here, and we're gonna have a good run. So see you. Bye. I'm at Mehram Nagar Police Colony, which is approximately 2.5 kilometers from Sadar Bazar metro station, and I need to go that side towards the international airport. So yeah, I took a small detour, so I came back running, and then I think I'm on the right way now. So yeah, so yeah, we are going strong. Yeah. How many of you have seen a waterfall right in the middle of a city? If you haven't, then take a look at this. I'm going strong. I mean, I'm meeting people and asking them for the way, and they are quite surprised, and they're telling me to it's quite far, and please take a taxi or something. So, but yeah, all the more happy. It makes me feel happy that it can be done. See you soon. So yeah, if you have thought about it, then you can do it. So that's the final goal that you can see, Terminal 2 and Terminal 3. So after taking two or three wrong turns, I finally managed to reach it. So the final push, and we are going to be reaching the international airport. Yeah, so see you soon. Bye. Lone warrior. Just about reached the international airport. As you can see there, it's written departure. So I'm just about there. I have to go right there. So I think it's another 200-300 meters or something. So once I go there, I'll see how much time it took and how many kilometers it was. And it was a fantastic run. And also because the winter has set in, and I couldn't feel it too much, but yeah, it's tiring, but I couldn't feel it too much. So all the best to me. See you. Finally reached the international airport in Delhi, and it's around 9.5 kilometers from Sadar Bazar metro station. Yeah, so it was not even 10 kilometers. Even after taking like 2 wrong turns, it was only 9.5 kilometers. So one more step taken. Like now let's find out some more outwardly destinations to like run and explore some new spaces and places, and yeah, so it's done and now it's time to go home. One more milestone completed. Probably I'll do some push-ups here, I don't know, but I think this is the day 35 that comes to an end, and I'll see you on day 36. But I still have like a lot of energy left, but I think not that much to go back home. Yeah, so I'll take a metro from here, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Not even a sip of water I took. See you. Bye.